Automation Direct's NITRA Pneumatic Automation Link (PAL) is a modular electro-pneumatic system that combines pneumatic valve manifolds and electrical field I/O into a single machine-mounted platform. Designed to simplify wiring and reduce installation time, NITRA PAL allows users to flexibly configure valve bases, solenoid valves, and I/O modules on one assembly that can be controlled via EtherNet IP. With IP65 rated components, standardized M8 and M12 connections, and scalable architectures supporting complex systems, NITRA PAL provides a compact, robust solution for modern pneumatic automation applications. With its own configuration software apps, the PAL is easy to set up and get communicating with any EIP scanner control device. For details on setting up the EIP bus coupler using the NITRA EIP Configuration Tool software, see the NITRA PAL Configuration Ethernet IP video linked below. One issue that pops up from time to time is that the PAL won't seem to accept an IP address a user is trying to assign. If you're following the IP address setup procedure but can't seem to get the address to stick, there are a couple of things you should check. By far the most likely culprit here is a piece of software running on your computer that likes to claim exclusive use of the designated EIP port, TCP port 44818. The software most known for this kind of behavior is from Rockwell Automation. Check your computer for Rockwell services like RSLinx. There is some great information on this in the AutomationDirect Customer Forum's FAQ. Go to community.AutomationDirect.com and simply search for FAQ NITRA Problem Setting Static IP Address. You'll find some detailed instructions there on this issue. Another possibility is that your antivirus or firewall software is blocking the port. Consult documentation for any such software your computer is running. You'll want to allow the EIP Configuration Tool.exe to make changes. In Windows Defender Firewall, you'll be looking for something like this. Make sure every instance of the EIP configuration tool is enabled. If you check these things and still can't get the IP address to update properly, please don't hesitate to contact our industry-leading tech support team. Click here to watch the video on configuring the PAL for Ethernet IP. Click here to link to the Community Forum FAQ on this issue. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep up to date on all products and videos at AutomationDirect.com.